Just don't ask me to draw you like one of those French girls. Jedi wanted to play with her R2-D2. It's a remote-controlled R2-D2. Let's turn him on. You can use an app on your smartphone if you'd like. It even comes with this, so you can scan in a bonus code to edit video in that app. Are you having fun? She is having fun. Here's the instruction manual. Smart R2-D2. Could you read it, baby?
Yeah.
Thank you. Because it'll tell you all about the different modes. Watch this.
What's this?
Oh, I think you heard him. He screamed. I think you pressed the button like this. And he sings and dances.
R2-D2.
It is R2-D2. Hasbro sent them to you. Can you say thank you, Hasbro?
Thank you, Hunter.
I've already read the directions. There are like 3 different modes. Not to confuse anybody, but R2-D2 can do a lot of things. There's stationary mode. There is mobile hangout mode, which is our favorite mode. And then there's the remote control mode, I believe. Hang on. Where's that third one? Oh, right there, right underneath. The guard mode, sorry. So you can turn this in one direction or another, and he'll stand there and scan, and then he'll sound an alarm when he hears something or sees something. See, I was moving my hand, and then you just reset him. Let's go there. Sorry if I confused everybody with this originally. Hasbro's been doing this scan code, which corresponds with another one of their applications. So when you get a Hasbro Star Wars toy, it may come with this, and then it's tied into the app. Even though that's not tied to an account necessarily. Yeah, baby? Are you taking pictures with your Kylo Ren camera? Oh, and you brought your Yoda Easter basket with the Millennium Falcon in there. Wow! Oh my gosh, indeed. So that is the remote control R2-D2. He's just going to hang out with us as we do other things. What happened to the Yoda basket? Oh, you're walking around with it. Anything else to say about the R2-D2? Do you like it?
Yeah.
How much?
How much?
Well, no, that was a question. How much? A lot? Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep.